I had been in the town of La Paz in the west part of Mexico after traveling up all of the west side of the country, but it was time to head out to the next destination again. It was a really cool town, but my visa in Mexico was about to expire, so I had to get going. Hello everybody, so today I'm gonna go to Cabo San Lucas. I'm here in La Paz in the west part of Mexico, and I've been traveling up now almost all of the southwest and west coast of Mexico. So I'm about to check out from my hotel room here and take a bus down to Cabo San Lucas at the end of the Baja California Sur peninsula. I've had actually lots of trouble lately with my electronics. Almost everything is broken. This was my best lens, my best camera lens, just broke the other day when I was climbing a mountain. The camera fell forward, smashed the lens, so $300 gone. Also, a few weeks ago I broke this drone, but I was lucky to get a new one. But now it's like it doesn't work at all, so I finally decided to just leave it here in this hotel room. And also broke these ones, my headphones. And my laptop also broke, but I fixed that. My phone broke, but I fixed that. My GoPro broke, but I got a new one, a second hand. When I was in, I can't remember where I was. But now every single piece of electronics I have has broken. So, but now actually I have this other lens that I'm using now. It's not nearly as good, but I'm glad I'm able to film still through storm, rain, heartache and pain. We need to keep going so we can reach 100,000 subscribers. That's my goal. But now let's head out, take the bus down to Cabo San Lucas. Here is the hotel room where I stayed in La Paz. You can also actually see the beach down there, or the water. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave this drone here up in the ceiling in hotel room number 19 of the Miramar Hotel in La Paz. So a couple of years from now, when I'm rich and famous, somebody can go and take this drone here from this hotel room. Maybe you can sell it and make a fortune. So I'm gonna leave it up here in the corner. Now we have a drone in the ceiling. You might be able to fix the drone actually if you get a battery for it, but I don't know. There's no repair shop anywhere in Mexico for sure. So, and I have another drone, so let's head out now. I'm also gonna leave my $300 broken camera lens in the ceiling if you wanna get that. I was on my way to the bus station to take the 2-hour and 30-minute bus down to Cabo San Lucas. I had been staying about a minute from the main road by the beach that goes along the sea. So I have nowhere to live tonight, as always. We have to figure that out, but first go on the bus and into Cabo San Lucas. One of the most famous tourist destinations actually in all of Mexico. I had made it down to the beach and the bus station, and I had not seen a single cloud during my stay in La Paz. So I got my bus ticket here from the bus station. Now I'm here at the bus station, my friends. I paid 225 pesos for this ride from La Paz into Cabo San Lucas. I came into a modern bus, and it was one of the cheapest bus rides I'd been on since I came to Mexico. I had traveled all the way up along the west coast to the tip of the Baja California Peninsula and taken the boat the last part. This bus ride was taking me to the end of the peninsula and into Cabo San Lucas. I had been on so many bus rides during my time in Mexico. Even though they had typically been really slow, I had always seen something interesting from the windows.
This area seemed to also be really dry. I got off the bus in Cabo San Lucas, which is an incredible place, located in between the mountains that stick out into the Pacific Ocean. You will see a lot more of this place in the coming video.
Hello everybody and welcome to the bus station here in Cabo San Lucas. It's located about 2 kilometers from the boat marina, so a little bit more than 1 mile. It took almost 3 hours, so a little bit more than what they said, but we're gonna walk now down to a hotel that is located kind of close to the boat marina. So let's go, my friends. So I actually have not booked this place, but I'm gonna walk over there anyway, so maybe book it once I get there. They say that Cabo is also one of the most dangerous places in Mexico. I don't know if it's true, but might be true.
In 2017, Cabo had the most murders out of any city in the whole world. But in the recent years it's been getting much better.
The sun is about to go down and all the neighborhoods look really, really old here. Really old.
I was on my way down to the hotel zone and I walked through some kind of strange neighborhoods.
So I'm walking here now through town. It's actually really old and kind of dusty, and yeah, it's really different from other places I've been to actually in Mexico. You can see there's lots of graffiti here on the walls. I think I walked through some bad neighborhoods, but now I'm here on this main road. Seems to be I was gonna stay in a hotel there, but luckily I didn't book it because I walked through the neighborhoods. I changed my mind. So we're gonna go to another one over here.
I finally found a hotel a few minutes from the beach area.
Hello everybody, I found a room finally. I went to 3 hotels. There was no people in any of the receptions, but I'm here now at Capital O. It's not bad actually for the price. I don't know how much I paid. Maybe $40 as always. $40 per night. Whoa, it's close moving myself. Hello. I would like to teleport myself back to Playa del Carmen, please. I want to go back to the east part of Mexico. Thank you.
The teleportation didn't work, which was lucky, because in the next video you will see how incredible Cabo San Lucas is.
I will have to say that I like the east coast of Mexico much more, and now I've traveled almost all the way up the southwest, west coast of Mexico. But we have one more mission in the next video. I'm gonna show you all of Cabo San Lucas. We're gonna find out if it's worth the hype. We have to think how we're gonna get a new lens so we can make high quality videos again. I'm gonna go out and eat something, and I'm gonna actually film that with my phone instead, because it's better. This phone is better when it's dark. I would like to stay in one place for a couple of months, but now I have to leave again because my visa expires this week. so I have to fly out of Mexico. I think I might fly to Costa Rica. I found a decently cheap flight over there, but I would like to maybe return to Mexico. So I'm up here on the street now. I have to film with my phone because my other camera is so bad when it's dark.
I got out on the streets of Cabo San Lucas and I immediately got approached by people that wanted to sell me drugs.
So I've been walking around here now 5 minutes. 5 people already asked if I wanted drugs.
I walked around in the bit in the town and also the boat marina. A lot of bars were open and I could hear music coming from all the bars.
I've been asked so many times, like 10 times probably, if people want to sell drugs to me. Really strange. I came in here to this bar and I met the 2 Americans that saved me from the beach the other day in La Paz. They were here. A big thanks to the rescuers.
Earlier when I'd been in the town of La Paz all alone in the desert, I had met these two Americans that saved me and gave me a ride back home.
I'm on my way back now to where I'm staying, in the hotel.
After about a year in Mexico, Cabo was the place where the most people had approached me regarding drugs.
Sometimes when we have setbacks in life, it's so easy to have a negative attitude towards the setbacks, as I had in this video. But now I'm thinking of it, and I'm filming with my phone. It's so much easier actually. The phone is so light, and this is the camera that I usually have. You see how big this camera is with the lens and everything. I think we should learn to see the possibilities in setbacks. There's always a solution for our problems, and we can solve it, I think. So come along with me, and I ease your pain. We also have to try the bed, as I always do, to evaluate the bed and see how many stars it gets.
This was the worst bounce I'd ever had.
So bad. That's the worst bounce I've ever seen.
The best bounce I'd had was at the Oyo Hotel in the town of Huatulco.
We will never give up, my friends. We will never give up until we reach 100,000 subscribers. The shower is so good, I can't believe it. Come along with me, and I ease your pain. I have actually a fork in my bag, so I took a shower and now I'm eating some noodles, my friends. This video probably is way too long, but tomorrow I will show you the best video I've ever seen of Cabo San Lucas, my friends. I'd like to say thank you very much for watching it. Please, as always, leave this video a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So see you in the next video.